What up guys, this is Pokemon Master, and I haven't been making videos a lot, just because sister volleyball and stuff like that, tournaments and stuff like that. But you guys, if you watch Pokemon stuff, that's how come you are probably watching my videos, then you would watch others too, just like I did. Laughing Pikachu, she's a girl, and she likes Pokemon and stuff like that, and she went to a pre-release for the Steam Siege, and she got the packs, and they're pretty cool. They look pretty cool. I'll show you guys. Let it focus. But I think that's the best you're gonna get. My phone ain't very good. And then she pulls out this. And I'm pretty sure this is the new one. Okay, but enough of that. I'm not just excited for Steam Siege. I'm excited for, let's see, I have $15, Venmo and grass, stuff like that, and I'm gonna get maybe $10 this week, so I'll have 25. I'm buying a Zygarde 10, like I told you guys, buying one of those. Then, I think if we go to Walmart, I'm gonna buy one of the box things. You guys like lunchbox things, but they have packs in them. I might buy one of those, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna try to go for a lot of packs, but for the less price. But something cool for you guys, since I haven't been making videos. But I've been busy, stuff like that. But I'm ready to start getting and I might go to Walmart tomorrow. So I might bring you guys with me. That'll be a fun adventure. And this should be up by tonight. And another thing, I've been talking to my mom, been talking how my computer ain't that good. So I think I got a laptop, so not a computer. A laptop, it's alright, you just got a good one, but we got an old one. And so a computer would really help me out. Give me a sec. Okay, we're good. But a computer is just way much better. It could help you out. So that might be my Christmas present. But we're trying to find a less priced one. And then Steam Siege, I'm going to be doing stuff for extra money. I'm going to be working my butt off just to get packs for you guys. Because I'm ready to get a new deck to start working on. I need Shaman via Seekers, dude. I'm going to be going ham this next generation. And freaking, I get $5 for allowance, but I think it's going to be $10. And then when my mom and dad go on their lovely vacation just for them two, I am going to get paid $10, I think, just for watching the dogs for, I think, a week, something like that. But, I'm coming out good. So a Zygarde 10 will be coming up, and then another thing will be coming up. I got money coming, and just trying to do stuff for extra money so I can get some 10. I think the Zygarde 10 will be my 10 for now. But then, I hope they ain't just packs. I might go for a 10 too, a Steam Siege 10. That would be pretty cool. But I think Drew's going to the pre-release in Jasmine. I think that's what they said. But then they're going to be leaving. But I think I am going to my uncle's, and he always puts me to work and gives me $5, and then we mess around with ping pong, and then we kind of bet. So, it's kind of funny. but he gives me money from that if I win. But I do the yard work too sometimes, so I get some money into it too. So $5. I don't know. I would go to Walmart, but then I don't know if they weigh them and stuff and get the good packs. I gotta ask Drew, because my mom said that she would just give me the $5, but it wouldn't go to my allowance. I would still get the $5 from my allowance, just letting me it. But I don't have to pay her back, so you know that's a good thing. I wonder why I'm sitting on a yellow ball. My desk, my clothing is a mess. I am getting a new desk, trash can, baller, and that actually reminds me I got a golf ball in there too for my uncle. But yeah, I've been cleaning my room kind of like that. But hopefully this week should be good. I know I'm at least gonna have one thing. If not, I'm gonna beg my mom to buy me something. But you know, just trying to get good stuff. Need some stuff for my deck because I want to go to the nationals. But no, we haven't went to the little tournaments yet. We aren't even close. But I want to do little tournaments and I want to practice really good. Trying to get a friend still. Just I don't know really what to do because we live in a tiny country, I guess. There's a lot of people, just not where I live because I go to like 10 miles down just to, like 5 miles, just so, no, about 10, yeah, just to go to school and they all live in here. I live on like the wild side, so there's like no one around us. I only have one friend and he's my neighbor, but the rest are crazy people. And I still, Drew, if you guys watched our videos, it was a long time ago, I think when I buy the tin, if I get the tin where I live at, I'm gonna go say, what up dude, and get him, and then meet me at a place and we'll open the packs, he'll get 2, I'll get 2. So you know, that'll be a good time. But I think this is gonna be hopefully a good week. Gonna work my butt off for you guys, try to get money and stuff like that. But that's it for today. So hopefully you guys have been having a wonderful week and have fun.